Most bond trackers go blank when a bond stops trading, and corporate and muni bonds can go weeks without a trade. AllInvestView never needs a live quote. Each bond is priced from its own terms, its coupon, maturity, and payment schedule, discounted on the government yield curve for its currency. So even an illiquid bond gets a fair, defensible value every day, and it moves as rates move. And getting a bond in is quick. Search by ISIN or issuer, and it pulls in the terms for you. Or just type them yourself. Coupon, maturity, face value, payment frequency. That's all the engine needs to price it and run every metric you're about to see. Yield to maturity is the number that ties it together. If you buy at today's price and hold to maturity, reinvesting the coupons, that's your annual return. It's the single rate that makes the bond's future cash flows equal its price, solved for each bond and shown alongside the simpler current yield. The spread separates credit risk from rate risk. When you bought, your yield was higher than the risk-free government rate for that maturity. That gap, in basis points, is your reward for credit and liquidity risk. It's locked in at purchase, so day to day, only the curve moves. Your spread stays put. Every bond is discounted against the government curve for its currency. Treasuries for dollars, the central bank's AAA curve for euros, gilts for sterling, plus Canada and Australia. You can see the curves here, and each bond shows exactly which benchmark it's measured against. For rate risk, duration is the headline. A duration of 5 means roughly a 5% price drop if yields rise 1%. DV01 puts that in money, what your book gains or loses per single basis point. And the rate scenario slider lets you shock the whole portfolio, up or down, and watch the impact live. A bond portfolio isn't just a yield, it's a schedule of when your principal comes home. The maturity ladder groups your holdings by year, and the countdown cards flag what's maturing soon, so you can plan your reinvestment. And the flip side is income. The coupon calendar lays out every payment across the next 2 years, what you've received, and what's still scheduled, so you see the actual cash your bonds pay you month by month. Try it free at AllInvestView.com.